Helleborus orientalis. Okay. All right, hellebore. To be honest with you, until I came down here, I had not paid much attention to hellebore. Helleborus seems to be a little bit finicky as far as our temperatures are concerned. It doesn't like our hot summers. Does perfectly in our cool winters, but we have a difficult time getting them to come back is our issue. So this particular one was planted this year. It came in as like a propagule. Okay, you'll notice that the flowers here, these are actually sepals. Okay, so they're not bracts, but they're sepals. These are actually petals inside. That sort of gives one of the reasons why this particular flower can be so green. Yeah. Right? So it's got a green flower a lot of times. Sometimes it'll have a little bit of this pinkish cast to it, and a lot of times you'll start out with a pink cast or a white, creamy white cast, and then fade to this greenish color. Okay, we can turn this around if you like. All right. The foliage is always very thick. All right. Very plasticky feeling. Okay. Can be any sort of lots of different lobing types. Okay, so you notice that they can have sometimes 3, 5, 7 lobes on them on the particular foliage. But a lot of times the little leaflets here, all right, this is actually a leaflet and this is a leaflet because there'll be a bud down here somewhere. Okay, but a lot of times the leaflets will have that serration, the toothing on the particular leaves that are sharp, and that occurs about halfway up the leaf. Okay, so remember when we saw that on Duranta, how the entire leaf didn't have a margin on it, but rather maybe the upper third or 2/3. It's similar to that on Helleborus. Okay, and then you notice that they actually come from, I believe, rhizomes, that underground rhizomatous structures under the soil, and the flower structures and the leaves all come from the same area. Okay. Does our list say Lenten Rose? Yeah. Lenten Rose, because a lot of times in areas where this is used prolifically, it will bloom around Lent. Okay.